Hello, guys. Hope you all are doing great. So today is a very interesting topic that I'm going to talk about. और वो इसलिए interesting और important है because normally everyone when we take this decision, major chunk of people don't think a lot. Wherein this is one of the most important decisions of our life. That is choosing a life partner for ourselves because that life partner changes 90% of your life, and very unfortunately it's a very a decision which is not well thought of, especially probably in an arranged marriage setup where all that probably we look at is mom dad कैसे है उसके, घर कैसा है उसका, वेल सेटल्ड है कि नहीं, दिखता कैसा है या दिखती कैसी, दैट्स इट राइट. दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी सी. इवन फॉर दैट मैटर लव मैरिज, जब इट्स एन इम्पल्सिव डिसीजन, अभी मिले हैं एंड वी गेट मैरिड एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो डू वी रियलाइज इट कि हम कौन सा स्टेप लेने जा रहे हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड द एंटायर लाइफ विद देम. हाउ डू यू नो दैट ही और शी इज़ द वन? हाउ डू यू नो कि एटलीस्ट 80-90% ये देख ले कि ये डिसीजन सही जा रहा है कि नहीं. So I was just talking to my best friend, and my best friend put this across in such a great manner that I wanted to share it with you all. Ki, there is one way that probably we can take this decision and probably should go right. जैसे for example, जब आप ये decision लेते हैं of getting married to someone, what you need to do is, of course, you need to spend a lot of time to understand what kind of personality they have. But after that, what we need to do is, when we close our eyes and we think कि for example ये बंदा या बंदी उससे उसका सब कुछ छीन लिया है, उसके looks, उसका घर, उसकी job, उसका socio economic status, everything is taken away. Now all that we have with that person is personality and soul. That's all that you have. Are you still in love with that person's personality, or are you in love with that entire package कि घर है इसीलिए this works for me, looks है इसीलिए this works for me? Because this all will probably go, fade. I'm not saying it will surely go, but there are very high chances, right? Change is the only constant. But your personality and soul, if that's what you are in love with, then that could be constant in that person, hopefully. If the person keeps growing and keeps learning for better. And most probably जो हमारा core होता है ना, always remains the same. Especially जब marriage की age होती है, it's around 25, 30, 35. वहाँ तक तो हमारा core और एक personality बन गए होते हैं. तो that is a good base to take decision on. And I was like, wow, yeah, that's such a good way to think that, if I'm able to speak to this person at the age of 60 and 70 where I don't have to go to work, all what I have to do is sit with this person at home and spend time with him or her. Does that scare you? Ki, oh my god, I'll not be able to jailify this person so much. Then it's quite not going in the right direction. And especially the way we look or the way we are in terms of our positions in life, right? वो हमारा वो वैसा वाला स्टेज आता है जब हम बैक सीट लेकर बैठे होते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, करेक्ट? सो थिंक अबाउट इट. विल यू स्टिल लव दैट पर्सन फॉर हु ही और शी इज़? And only then probably it's a good decision to go ahead with. I had a similar line of thinking which I would like to share also, so that अगर वो आपको help करे कहीं in some way, that would be great. So my thought process was कि आपने जिस base की वजह से शादी की है या relationship में आप आए हो, वो base decide करता है कि relationship चलेगी कि नहीं. जैसे for example, there are many guys that I know that, especially arranged marriage setup में, एक फोटोग्राफ देख के दे हैव टेकन अ डिसीजन, आई एम गोइंग टू मैरी हर, शी इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. सो ऑल दैट यू गॉट मैरिड टू वाज हर फेस और हर ब्यूटी, राइट? नाउ टुमारो or after months or years, when there is a personality that comes up, because you have to deal with the personality, right? मतलब looks कितनी बार देखोगे और वो आस्ते आस्ते शायद ढले भी, right? Now when that personality is opposite to yours and you can't take it, then what do you do with that beauty? Yeah, for example, when your base of marriage was say money, ठीक है, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली बुरा टाइम हो गया और चला गया, तो वो बेस जिसकी वजह से आपने शादी की वो अगर चला गया तो वो रिलेशनशिप नहीं टिकेगी. और अगर जिस बेस की वजह से शादी की और वो टिक गई पूरी लाइफ, तो रिलेशनशिप टिक जाएगी. दिस इज हाउ आई यूज टू थिंक. But this is more clearer, the personality and soul to me. So whatever works for you, And I hope that whoever has not taken this decision, they are able to take good decisions for themselves. Guys, it is one of the most important decisions. Jobs you can change, cities you can change, so many things you can undo. But relationships, marriages, not easily that you can change. You can, but not very easily. So think before you take that decision. And I really wish all the very best to all of you, and lots of love, luck, and awareness to each one of you. Bye bye.